Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video I want to share with you how you can make money as a creative. Remember, anyone can make money online. You just have to find something that is perfect for you. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, Behance.net. This is one of the best websites for creatives. Behance allows graphic designers to make money online. On this website, you can showcase your work. Potential clients or other artists can love or view your work. The best part is it shows the number of people who have liked or viewed your work, and this plays with potential clients' mind. When other people see a large number of likes or views, it tells them that you must be good, or they believe that you must be good, and then they give you a chance. But do you always have to wait for artists or potential clients to fall in love with your work? Does this mean that you can't make money if you are new to the platform and no one is reacting to your work? No, you can still make money, and you can do this by clicking jobs on their website, filter down, and you will find available jobs around your area. For example, if you put South Africa, you will see jobs mainly from Johannesburg, Durban, Pretoria, and Cape Town. On this website, you can also find international jobs that you can apply to regardless of where you come from. If you type your country and you can't find any jobs, you can just apply to jobs marked as anywhere. Jobs on this site can be full-time, part-time, and even internships. If you are applying for international jobs, you will need to have a PayPal account. If you are talented or you're into designing, please check this website out. Even experienced graphic designers are earning extra money using this website. Number 2, Shutterstock.com. If you are a YouTuber or a blogger, you may know Shutterstock for their quality images. I have downloaded images from this site. Shutterstock has been around for over 15 years and they have paid over $1 billion to their contributors. As a creative, you can make money by contributing to the platform. Firstly, you have to create an account, take quality videos or photos, upload them, and get paid every time Shutterstock customers download your pictures or videos. Have you seen those short videos, for example, of a sun setting, waves, or even a green forest? Meditation channels use this kind of videos or photos. Those kind of videos or photos were uploaded by people like you and they got paid in return. Some of you are natural creatives. You are able to take videos or photos of really high quality. Maybe even live near a forest or an ocean. You can take beautiful videos or pictures, upload them, and get paid. You don't really have to upload only nature related videos or photos, but most people who buy from this website are international people, and by international I mean relative to South Africa or Africa as a whole. So these international people don't have access to such videos or photos. I was watching Oprah the other day and she was talking about how she has always wanted a house surrounded by trees. It was her dream, and when she started making money, she got herself a house surrounded by trees. When I was watching that interview, I was like, wow, it's crazy how other people don't have access to such things. I mean, where I grew up, there's trees everywhere, rivers everywhere. Like, I don't have to have money to have access to a peaceful forest. That's why I encourage you to take nature related videos, because people who go to their website don't have access to them. So if they need high quality pictures for maybe their blog or whatever, they'll go to this website and pay to get those pictures or videos. You could also take videos or pictures of tall buildings, maybe in Sentin or wherever, but there are many other people who are doing the same thing. Competition is much higher. Try to stand out. If you see a group of cattle or goats or whatever, take a video of them or pictures, upload them on this website. Some people in other countries or continents, they have to go to the zoo in order to see such, but we get to see that for free. So why not take these kind of videos and pictures, upload them, and get something out of it? You can make a lot of money from this. It's just so unfortunate that we as human beings never realize what we have. If you have a creative eye, go out there and take these photos and videos. Number 3, nodeskdesign.com. On this website, you will find graphic design jobs. Most of them are worldwide and they specify if they're part-time, full-time, or internship. Some of them go as far as specifying the monthly salary. This website is more suitable for people who have experience or certificate, because you are unable to showcase your work unless if they ask you. So certificates and experience will help you. Number 4, cardgnome.com. Cardgnome pays creatives for selling card designs. On this website, you can sell birthday cards, Christmas, Valentine cards, thank you cards, all types of cards. They are constantly looking for new amazing designs. So if you are talented, you can make money from this by submitting your designs. In order to submit a design, you are required to have an online presence. It can be a blog, Instagram, or Facebook. It doesn't matter which platform you use, but you have to be posting your work somewhere. This may not be suitable for people who want to make a quick buck, but if you are into art and creating, then this is perfect for you. Every card design you submit should be in a form of a greeting card, and it must have outside, inside, and you have to be specific. You can't submit one card for Christmas and for Valentine. They need new designs for different events. So these are 4 websites that you should definitely check out if you are a creative and you want to make some money online. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can.